What happens if you forget to put assets inside of your revocable trust? Those assets in your personal name will have to go through the probate process. So you set up a revocable trust, you put your assets in there to avoid probate, and maybe you forget to put an asset in there, or you buy and sell assets and you forget to put your new ones in there. Those assets in your personal name will have to go through the probate process to be distributed out to your beneficiaries. And it depends on how they get distributed will depend on whether or not you have a will. If you have a will, those assets will get distributed per that will. If you do not have a will, those assets going through probate will be distributed per your intestate laws, which in Georgia, as an example, your spouse and your kids will evenly split the assets that you own, and then your spouse will get a minimum of 1/3. So if you have 2 or more kids. If you want to avoid this from happening, when you set up your revocable trust, one, make sure you're putting new assets in there and that you work with your attorney to make sure all of your assets are going inside that revocable trust. But you can also set up a pour over will, and then with that pour over will, any assets that you forget to put inside of that revocable trust will still have to go through probate, but the pour over will state that the assets that you forget to put in there that are going through probate will automatically dump into the revocable trust, and then you can control and distribute those assets per the revocable trust document instead of per the intestate laws or per your will. If you want help setting this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more.